It is our responsibility, even when there are positive social changes, to take seriously the second-round effects on other groups. A fundamental human need is to be needed. And if our men and our young boys don't feel needed, then it's no wonder that so many of them are going off the rails. If we look particularly at the challenges of men of certain groups, and especially men from working class backgrounds, less advantaged backgrounds, and black boys and men, you see even sharper signs of disadvantage. I think we want a world where women and men can flourish, and they can flourish together, shoulder to shoulder. If we care about what's happening to our boys and men, and we think there are ways in either for our professional or personal life we can help fill those gaps, then I think it's incumbent on us to do so. I really just encourage anybody in your position, in whatever, to step up. The cultural task before us is a new script for masculinity. That script won't write itself. And right now, I think one of the other things that's causing some young men to be dislocated or withdrawn or act out or check out is because we've torn up the old script, we haven't replaced it. They're left reeling, they don't know where to turn. We've barely begun the task of what it means to be a man. Big questions are going to be asked about what it means to be a man today. And if we don't address that problem, other people will. It is an axiom of political and cultural life that if real problems are not addressed by responsible people, irresponsible people will exploit them. It is a fundamental human need to be needed. If we make our men feel that they're not still needed by our society, by our culture, it is small wonder that so many of them are suffering so much. We're all in the end seeking the same ends, which is a more flourishing society for all of us. So this is no small task, but it couldn't be more important.